How to add Excel to PowerPoint. Excel has a lot of features, especially when it comes to calculations and handling numbers, that cannot be replicated in PowerPoint. So there may be an occasion where you need to include data from Excel in your PowerPoint. You could have prepared a presentation based on data drawn from an Excel sheet and summarized it and come out with a series of slides. Now you want to include the source data, but you can't copy and paste it into the PPT. So here we will see how to add Excel into PowerPoint. There are two ways of doing it. One is you can create an Excel file within PowerPoint, and the second way is to embed a file or attach an Excel file to a PowerPoint presentation. So we'll look at the first way, which is to create a new Excel file within PowerPoint. I have a blank presentation here. I go to Insert, then go to Object, click on Object. And here I have two options. One is to create new and create from file. So under create new, I select Microsoft Excel worksheet. Now I want this displayed as an icon, so I click that and say OK. So now PowerPoint is loading Excel, or it's opening Excel. I can now create some data. I'll just put a series of numbers and then close this. Now I see that this has been inserted as an icon here. If I want to open this, I double click and this opens Excel again, and it opens the worksheet that I created. So the reason I've selected it to display as an icon is because it's much neater. Otherwise it inserts the whole sheet and uses up the full slide. So now I will delete this and we'll look at the second option, which is inserting an existing file into PowerPoint. So again, go to Insert, go to the Object, Insert Object option, and then I say Create from File. Here I browse, go to somewhere on my local machine, pick up the file that I need, and say OK. So the file gets inserted here. This also I'm going to say display as an icon because I don't want the whole file inserted and taking up a lot of space. There's another option to create a link to the file. So this will be a link to the file, and in this option, the only issue is that the source file, the source Excel file, always has to accompany the PPT file. So I don't want to link the file. I want to embed the whole file into PowerPoint and say OK. So in this case, the file is embedded into the presentation. So that of course makes the presentation file larger, but it saves you the trouble of having to always transport two files. It's just one file, and if you're sharing it with other people, you just need to share a single file and don't have to send the source Excel file as well. So here, okay, this is a Excel CSV file and it's displayed as an icon. To open it, I double click it and this will open the file. And it mentions here at the top that the worksheet is in the presentation. So this is two ways of adding Excel into PowerPoint. Please read the appended article for more information.